research point of view and also from academic point of view, it was a very good exercise wherein inputs from different parts of the country were taken, several rounds of discussions, be it the architectural planning, the energy efficiency, the materials, the quality of construction, the cost of construction, the amenities, the facilities that are being provided, and the location of the projects. All these parameters grouped into primary, secondary and the tertiary parameters.
They have really provided very good architectural design, drawings, energy efficient measures, structural safety, fire norms, which will definitely make aware of the other builders to also incorporate these things in their project. And the highlights of that, something really outstanding these competitors has provided, which will help in a long way to others as a guidance to adopt in their projects.
They asked the right questions. The intention was very clear. They wanted to know if we're doing good, we're doing it the right way, and if we're doing it to the standards of what the government has laid out. And I'm very happy with the jury, the kind of questions they asked. Very nice.
Asking us various details of whatever projects we have done from the design point of view, from the green norms point of view, from the user point of view, and also from the price point of view. It was a very nice experience.
Cost-effective manner, he is able to deliver his projects with amenities and facilities which are at par with maybe if not higher but middle income group, and we have been seeing that that's been an approach. They want to give more at a lesser price. So that is one thing which we like to see in the prospective winners, and their intent to come out with such projects in future as well.
The experience was one of its kind. The form was too much detailed. Usually the forms are like way too simple. But when I was just going through the nomination form of PMAY, it was absolutely different. Trust me, they're more into the technical aspect of the project rather than the basic and the vague marketing aspect. I myself came to know much better about my own project, and that was a learning experience. So overall, it was indeed a enlightenment for me to know myself, my project in a better way while nominating my project under PMAY.
The jury asked the right questions. They were very interested in what we had done, and they were trying to drill in every small point that we were putting up on the presentation. So I feel it's a very good initiative. They're trying to understand what is the traction in the market and how it has impacted the real person on the ground.
This is a very organic award. We have participated in this PMAY Empowering India 2019 awards only because it decides the contender on the basis of the merits. The respective jury was very knowledgeable, had a vast experience in their field of construction, finance, and the basic aptitude of the society.
The jury is very strict. They had different questions, every aspect you can think of. I think I had not thought of all those aspects when I designed. I am an architect by profession, he's also an architect by profession. I think we had not thought so much while we designed, and we thought that much when we were into that jury phase, and then we realized what we had come up with, and it was a good experience to have. That was a lifetime experience to have because I learned a lot many things while I was registering for this thing.
It took us almost 5 days to register for the jury.
Very good. Like I received a message from Credai, so we are a very active member of Credai, and as soon as I saw it appealed to me to apply for my company because this is in line with what we are doing. So awards actually for only PMAY was a very good thing to look at, and it was a very seamless experience. Everything was done online, so I was really happy with that.
As is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, the Housing for All, when it was launched in 2015, we were the first person to start in the region for the Housing for All. We with the government to get the slum free and get everyone to the good society and get a good education wise or everything.
What was quite impressive that we saw two upcoming private sector banks entering into the scheme, and then what it also looked like seeing the numbers with low NPA in this area. It appears not only to be a good, a public policy proposal, but it looks out to be a very good commercial proposal. So, to my mind, it should be a good business opportunity for many of the NBFCs and the private sector banks.